A special kind of bamboo tree that grows in the Far East, the Moso, has an inspiring story of growth. After it's planted, the Moso tree shows no visible growth for 5 whole years, even under perfect conditions. Then suddenly, almost like magic, it starts to grow 40 to 50 centimeters a day. And in just 6 weeks, it reaches nearly 27 meters tall. But this is no miracle. For 5 long years, the Moso bamboo was growing underground, extending hundreds of meters of roots, building a strong and invisible foundation. That is what makes the rapid growth possible. And life works the same way. Sometimes we feel stuck. We try hard and see no results. We wonder, is this even working? But just like the Moso, we are growing from within. We are preparing for our rise. If we stay patient, if we keep going, our moment will come. The Moso tree reminds us, true growth takes time, and the roots always come before the rise.